good company. And right now we're in good company. We have with us our special guest chilling with us from Loans Mart. We have with us the lovely Khahaile Brown.
That's right.
And we also have with us, that's Lamarah Tyrell.
That's correct.
All right. So the lovely ladies, I'm going to give you a chance to introduce yourself and tell us your title.
Okay, thank you so much. It's so good to be here today. Hello to all the listeners. I'm Khahaile Brown, Managing Director of Loans Mart. And beside me, we have the lovely Miss Tyrell. I'll allow her to just introduce herself.
All right.
Hi, great evening to all our beautiful viewers out there. So I am Lamarah Tyrell, as my lovely director would have recently introduced me, and I am the regional manager here at Loans Mart.
Wonderful. All right, so we have the two lovely ladies topping the charts today. I like your representation. Now I want to say congrats on being, amazing business leaders in today's world. Now talk to us about what drives you ladies to become, regional manager, and also managing director. How do we get here? What does it take?
I must say that we are, first of all, indeed proud of the progress that women has made and contributed to the society here in Jamaica and globally. And we are just happy to be in this space as well. We are just motivated by all the lovely persons that have, paved the way before us. And we are happy to be serving in the communities that we are now financially, as Loans Mart is a financial institution, lending loans across Jamaica. And we are touching lives. It's not just about, disbursement of loans, it's the relationships that we're building across the different branches that we operate in. And so, we are just indeed grateful for the progress that we have made. Happy to be here, happy to be sharing the story. And it continues.
And what about you, Mr.?
Of course. So, I do believe in continuous growth and development. And, like Ms. Brown would have rightfully said, as women, we want to change the narrative of the perspective that people have on us as women, And so if we can go out there and create impact and touch the lives of others, others would have paved the way for us, and it's now for us to take on that baton, pave the way for others to follow.
All right, wonderful. Okay, you see, it takes a lot, it takes a lot, but they're doing it. Now, what I want to know is, what would be three key takeaways? What you want three things persons to know when they, hang around you, when they come in your presence? What three things you want to teach them?
So for me, one of the takeaways from today is for persons to know that, generally speaking, you don't have to be in a financial crisis to be to require a loan. A lot of persons, after being approached, realize that the feedback is that you have to be hitting hard times. And we're saying no. We have a lot of persons now aspiring to be business owners. They may need just a small sum to scale their business, purchase more goods and services. We don't want you to be afraid. Persons tend to want to keep it a secret. I want to get a loan, but I don't want anybody to know. We want to let you understand that we lend loans for all purposes, and that does not mean that I'm in a financial crisis, right? So that's one thing we want the public in general to understand. We want that notion to be rid from person's mind that we must be troubled financially.
You have to get for your last dollar. You have to die before you think of a loan. No,
nothing like that. Okay. And for Loans Mart, we are big on relationships. So we want to also let them understand that we are changing the loan processing business and the mindset that persons have in terms of, there's a certain level of red tape that is associated with getting the loan. So we want them to understand that it's one big happy family with Loans Mart, and we are big on relationships. We want you to understand that it's over time, we are building on that. And we are tailoring your loans, so it doesn't have to fit any specific criteria. We want you to understand you can come explain to us what your financial situation is like right now, and we will set a plan that is perfect for you. And I'll leave the last one for Miss Tyrell to say
All right, go ahead.
what her thoughts are.
All right, just to add to that though, you know, sometimes persons believe that, oh, if they apply for a loan, they may not get the amount that they want. But I just want persons to know that it's not even so much about the amount.
Right.
It's about you thinking big, starting small, acting now.
Okay, so think big, start small,
act
act now. Putting that on a shirt, I open not come build me that.
I'm not necessarily start small enough, but start where you are wherever you are financially. And whatever your goals are, we want you to know that we are ready and available to assist and to give whatever service you require.
All right. So, Ms. Tyrell, you said the regional manager. What does that entail, or how many outlets are we looking at in the region?
So we have over 21 branches and growing. Let me say growing. Like I said, continuous growth and development. We totally believe in that. Right. So we have over 21 branches. Would you like me to advise you of the branches? We have in Portmore, we have Spanish Town, we have Mandeville, Mapen, downtown Kingston, Agla Park Road, Crossroad.
So the major cities.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we have South Lamar, Negril. So you know, anywhere you are, across Jamaica, we have an outlet there for you.
All right. So that's Loans Mart. People find them quick and fast and check out the options available. All right. Now, what I want to know though, we're in summertime now. What activities or plans do we have for the summer region? We also have back to school coming up. What are we doing at Loans Mart?
Okay, so great. We'd love for persons to know that we are having our promotion, back to school promotion now, and you may see a lot of Loans Mart personnel going around in the streets. Once you see them, you want to reach out to them, because the promotion is that once you are approached on the street, you are interested, the interest rates, the application fees associated with loans, those are going to be dramatically reduced, if anything eliminated, some of it. So we want you to reach out to them. You don't have to wait for them to come knocking on you, which they will, because we're so happy to see you. But if you see them, you can approach them, and yes, we will automatically sign you up and your application will be treated specially. And remember, we are lending from $10,000 all the way up to $1 million.
Okay, all right. People are Mohammed over there.
Yes, surely. Yes. So we don't have to be shy about loans. We want to get rid of that. So if you want anywhere from $10,000 all the way to $1 million, we are here to assist you. But our back to school promotion is from $10,000 up to $200,000. But we don't want you to think that you cannot apply for more than that, because remember, we are saying that Loans Mart, we are tailoring your application process and your loan disbursement process. So you can just let us know what your financial situation is now.
Okay, I like that. People, they have the options for you. Please check them out.
Definitely.
Now, Ms. Tyrell, what about you? As a part of this journey, you know, you're on your mission here. You're bringing purpose to people. You're bringing options for them to get these loans. Now, what about any personal projects that you have working on, as well, or partnership with Loans Mart?
All right, definitely. So we definitely have the back to school loan. That's our major focus right now, as it is. I mean, there are other projects, upcoming projects that we're working on behind the scenes, but for right now, we're really focusing on the back to school loan. Of course, back to schools are right around the corner, and of course, we believe in education, and for our children to get the proper education that they need. We know many persons are out there who may be struggling, not able to find that money to send the children back to school, and maybe the stigma that maybe to not wanting to go and take a loan. And we're saying we are here for you, we are here to support you, we are here to tailor whatever it is that we need to tailor to suit your needs, so that you'd be able to afford a loan with us and for us to serve you.
Okay, wonderful. Now, on the business side, give me the rundown of what Loans Mart really is. What do you offer? I mean, we know you mentioned about the back to school loans.
Right.
How do we sign up? What is the process like?
Okay. And so that's quite simple. Loans Mart is really here to offer financial aid to any individual, any group, any company that may need financial assistance, and in a timely manner as well. So we want to make that be known that we do offer emergency funding. We have a lot of persons that may come in for several reasons, and we are lending loans practically for all purposes. We have persons coming in, as you said, not just for back to school,
Right.
persons coming in to get a loan to assist them in purchasing goods and services for their businesses. You are talking about shop owners who need some more stock. We're talking about persons that are farmers who come in. They don't have the day-to-day requisites that a bank or other financial institution would require of them. So we're saying to you that we see you, and Loans Mart is here for that group of persons. And there are a lot of them. There are a lot of persons who require that assistance. They don't necessarily have that bank printout that a lot of institutions say they need. They don't need all that pay slip. We're saying to you, even if you don't have a job letter, there are other ways for us to do our verification. So we are just saying to you, your ID, your TRN, and 2 passport size photographs. I don't think it can ever get any simpler.
Wow, that is very simple. Because they know when they're ready, them say you need JP signature.
Exactly.
You
don't
last
need the JP to sign the
address,
passport.
you need father's blood type, mother's first boyfriend. All of these things they need to get in, but you make it
and
simple.
I think some of the companies have left a little scar on some of their minds in terms of, okay, you just need this, but when you come in, it's a whole different ball game.
I have to bring 3 cousins with you and all these things.
Truly, you are very correct with that. And so we just want to let persons understand, let the listeners understand today that we are saying it is simple to get a loan from Loans Mart. A lot of persons can say it's simple, a lot of companies will say it's simple, but until proven. So all you need is your ID, TRN, and 2 passport size photographs. We're encouraging our small business owners to come and be a part of this, because as I said, a lot of them may not even register their businesses and may say, can I still get a loan?
Because we're planning to.
These persons have their families, they are doing good business. I can tell you that we have most of our customers are small business owners, and they are doing very, very good. You have a stall located at your home, you want to purchase a few more stock, you're a plumber, you want to get a few equipment or materials to be able to service your customers, you're freelance. You know, so persons may be of the notion that I have to be employed. No, we are here to cater for our self-employed individuals. I don't think a lot of companies are really catering to micro lending. They say they are doing micro lending, but it's not the truth.
Loans Mart are the real people for doing
real micro lending.
All right. No, I mean, with all this information we have handy now, how can persons contact Loans Mart? Is there a website, social media pages, where we can get all the information on all the locations?
Yes, so we're on all the social media platforms. You can visit us on our website at www.loansmartcash.com, and you will get the information there. You can also start your application online, but we do encourage you to come in because it's so simple, it's so easy. You can use your lunchtime and make the application. And we are also on Instagram at Loans Mart Cash. That's LOANS MART Cash, CASH. So you can visit us there, you can follow us, because we're going to be doing some giveaways too for those persons who are, you know, following us and leaving some good reviews and all of that. So we are on there. We are also on Twitter at the same Loans Mart Cash. You can find us there, and as I said, all the necessary information is on our pages. But if you are unable, you're not a social media person, you just want to call like myself,
just give me the number.
Yes, just give me the number. So you can contact us at 876-552-0933. That's 876-552-0933, and you can also call 0955. And I do also love my customers. I give them direct numbers to myself. So I want you to know that if you want to get in touch with me directly, you can also contact me at 863-5254. That's 876-863-5254.
People, you have several numbers to choose from. Call Loans Mart, ask them any question you need to get your information together so you can get that loan application sorted out listen me, you're not for end 2025 on a bad note. Sort out your business opportunities. I guess they'll help you to figure out how you can make the payments and
Don't
stuff
guess.
like that.
We will.
Okay, well, yeah, I'm guessing they won't have to guess. So they
Yeah.
have all the answers for you. Any final words, words of encouragement, words of inspiration, or just a message to the listeners for them to know.
Yes, and so we just have to give thanks for each and every day.
Yes.
We are a company that believes in putting God first.
Yes.
We do our devotions and so on. We are on a mission, not just to, as I said before, disburse loans, but to create relationship, long-lasting relationships. So if you have a loan with us and you are having any financial difficulty, we want to let you know that we are still here for you.
Yeah.
Persons may think, I have a financial problem now, so yeah, it's the end of the world. We're
Right.
saying no.
Mhm.
The relationship that we are building is to cater to you over time. We just want to encourage everyone that, as I said, this is a big message for me, that loans are nothing to shy away from.
Yeah.
And we want to just thank God for the opportunity that has been given to us, how He has blessed myself personally and those around us. And we just want to have a positive effect on each and every one. Giving each other grace sometimes, because we're all human beings.
Yes.
But we are here for you and we are here for each other, right? Without our customers, that we would not be here today. And we are just so happy to know the progress that Loans Mart has made over the 7-8 years that we've been around. Some persons may not know that we have so many locations, so we just want to send that order. They know now, right?
What about you, Ms. Tyrell?
Yes, so my final words would be, I will use the words of my dear Apostle Courtney McLean: live life by design, not by crisis.
Okay.
Many persons out there, their current situation sometimes can become so overwhelming and overburdened, so much so that they lack and even be blinded by what their purpose should be. And I'm saying, open your eyes. The time to see is now. And we are here to guide you along that path.
People, the time. Oh, sorry. Sorry, go ahead.
I just want to encourage the persons to go on and start following our website, liking our Instagram page.
Yes.
I mean, we're giving away $1,000 to the first 5 persons that can get onto our website right now. Leave a comment. We want to know where you are.
All right.
I mean, we have branches island-wide. We want to know where you are so we can connect with you.
All right. So see that people have more giveaways for you. Loans Mart jumping in on the giveaways. People, it's at 6 o'clock on the dot. We're going to go to the break right now. I want to thank our lovely guests from Loans Mart. As I said, we have Khahaile Brown, Managing Director, and we also have with us Lamarah Tyrell, Regional Director. I want to thank you guys for joining us. And big up to the whole Loans Mart team.
It's been great. Big up
Thanks for having
everyone.
All right. We'll be right back after the break.